What's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Get Day Store and magbibenta na naman tayo ng sapatos. Pagpasensya niyo yung boses ko, medyo may sakit kaso alipin tayo ng salapi So kailangan natin kumita. Lalo ngayon, magki-Christmas. Tingnan natin kung may mabubudol tayo. Opo, ano siya? 6 in men's, 7 in women's. Chan, pa-assist ako. Pre-order si Madam ng special.
Yan, walang pansin kasi yan. Mas malambot talaga. Tsaka maluwag, ba? Kunin niya na.
Okay guys, so ayun, interested si Sir na kunin yung Goyard natin na St. Louis PM size, color brown. Ang asking price natin is 115,000. Sir, 115,000.
You can lower it down.
Lower it down. Ano ba to sir? Pang-gift?
Yeah, for my wife.
For your wife, pang-gift. So ano guys, pang-gift naman ni sir. Para sa pang-Christmas gift ni sir. Sige sir, for gift, 108,000.
Okay.
Okay, thank you sir. Sige. What's your name again sir?
Sure.
Sir Shar.
Yeah.
My name is Nico sir. Nice to meet you again. Thank you, thank you. Ayun guys, thank you. So ayun guys, nabenta na natin yung Goyard natin. Another stock ng Goyard na St. Louis. Like a couple of weeks back. So nakikita ko okay lang. Need to restock na. We sold it for 108,000 pesos. Magaling mag-negotiate si sir kasi Christmas So yun, di ba? Gift na natin. Ito lang advice ko, mag-business kayo ng sapatos and everything. Dapat di kayo mahilig sa sapatos. Lugi na kami Kasi yung mga tinda namin ako nagsusuot Guys, ito yung first shoes ko. This year. Ay, hindi, 2024 pa rin pala, no? Ay, shit! Hindi. Gagi. Drip check na. Okay, sige, game. So, for our headgear today, what we have is the MLB cap. I think that's around 3,000. Limot ko na For our jacket, we have the Carhartt mustard color. So, this is 7,000 available here at the Get Nice store. Tapos, for our pants, we have the Rockaware pants. Gustong-gusto ko yung fit nito. Camouflage. This is 5,000 lang. And then, we have the Saucony J-Tips collaboration to-do list. And ganda ng color, guys. This is for 16,000 pesos naman. Okay?